Governor of Edo State Senator Monday Okpebholo don assure people where they stay and motorists where they pass Obadan section of the Benin-Ekpoma-Auchi Expressway say them go finish work for the bad road within 48 hours and make am ready for use. The remedial work wey dem dey do for the 8-kilometer Benin-Ekpoma-Auchi highway for Obadan Junction go help reduce the wahala of moving people, goods and services for the area. Governor Okpebholo wey go inspect the work with some government officials praise the contractor wey dey handle the failed road work. He tok say the job don near completion as dem don lay asphalt already. He come assure say the road go ready for motorists in 2 days.
Well, this is a demonstration of the Renew Hope agenda of Mr. President. We have keyed into his agenda, and that is why you see what you are seeing here today. 2 days ago, I was with the Minister of Work to thank him, and also at the same time to thank Mr. President too. The work is ongoing and it's practical. We don't believe in sitting in one place to tell you work is going on, work is not going on. This is what everybody can see. And that is what we stand for. By the grace of God, tomorrow, next tomorrow, motorists will start using this road. And that, for me, will give us joy.
Also, the governor go inspect 1.1 kilometer Catholic Charismatic Renewal Road for Ogbeyoko Quarters, Benin City, plus the drainage works where them they do to stop flooding for the area. Workers and equipment they on ground to make sure say the work go finish on time. Some people where they stay the area culturally salute to the governor, and the elderly people for the area come pray for him as them they thank him for bringing relief and fixing the bad road.
Where we are now is Ogbeyoko community. The street we are working, the governor is working on currently now, Catholic Road, Ogbeyoko. We are here to come and appreciate the governor that talk and do. We appreciate him very much on behalf of the Ojonwe and the elders of the council of Ogbeyoko, the Igele, and the Dions and the women of Ogbeyoko. We say thank you for the good work, and we want to also pleased with him to do more. That we need more of this work. That to us, we are pleased with this work. That by this opportunity, we want to say that you should spread his tentacles to all branches of Catholic Road, so that they extend to other areas, so that the people of Ogbeyoko will enjoy good access road. Thank you. Catholic Road.
I'm happy for the work that our alternative governor is doing. In fact, we, the indigenous of this community, Ogbeyoko community, in fact, we are surprised to see a man, first time in history, for the first governor to come to this community and hear the cry of the community. In fact, we are very, very happy. In fact, it's amazing governor. That's the language that I use. And it's very clear and very obvious that this man, in fact, if you give him more time, he will do better than this. Please, I want the governor to do more, that people will really know that it's our alternative governor. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.